It's Ben Sorensen here, and I'm in Thornbury, Melbourne, with Hohm Microphone's passive ribbon mic. Designed from the ground up, these handmade microphones are optimized to bring the revered, enduring characteristics of a ribbon in line with the demands of modern producers, and at a price that will surprise you. The high output and low noise floor ensure this microphone is a breeze to use in any studio. With the flexibility to record electric or acoustic instruments, vocals, or a podcast, hear for yourself why a Hohm ribbon microphone is the right and versatile tool for the job.